Oh my god, why did I do it? Oh my god. I made this all based by my own, but yeah. Today we are going to become the world's nicest world. And there's floors here. Oh. Right click. Right click. Good old. Classy. Okay. We're just gonna play. Now great. Is there anybody here? I remember. Build? Nice. This basic shit. Ooh. I didn't even see it. Let's see. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Wow. Vishnu? Vishnu. I'm really recording, so tell me what you want. Look how I made it. What the flip? Now I'm just gonna color. I have done all the coloring inside the house. Wait. I'm building. You can't touch what I'm building. I have to.
But I want to check out what it is, dude.
Let me just build. What color do you want the roof to be? This
I want the color roof to be lime green.
Where is it? Here?
Oh yeah, that's lime green. Yeah.
Do you want the other part of the roof to be lime green too?
Yeah. Other part of the roof also lime green.
Lime green.
And can I please check the house out, dude?
I have to still build a bed, the bathroom, and the like thing. I have to build, like inside of the house.
But I want to check how it looks first of all, dude. Come on, you gotta not do like this to me. Let's just go to the wrong side and then have to check it out. Please.
I have to build some.
Go inside. I'll go.
Wait, I have to build the lights.
Lights. But please, I want to check it out.
Hey, what are you doing? Let me build.
Okay, fine.
It's a surprise. I'm just showing the outside of the house. That's it. I'll show you the inside of the house later. Can't buy the ceiling lamp. Wall lamp. I'll place it out. Here. And this here. I'm a money spender. Vishnu, you can check out my house. Look, I added lights.
Oh,
I added
it's
lights.
so good.
I added lights. I'm gonna control it and show you because I'm the
Please, I really want to control
the people who are storing this.
Please, can I click open? That's it.
Click
Please.
this open. Just click open. I'm gonna show you the whole thing.
Oh, this is so good. I love the house.
It's a multicolored house.
Close the door. Now, please, can I control the? Please.
I'm going to show the house. Wait, when you're playing, you can control. Look, this is the whole area. I told you. There's some strip wall lamps here.
And what is this room?
It's the bedroom.
Why is there a door here?
It's the bedroom.
But where's the bathroom and the kitchen, dude?
I will build it. Patience. I didn't build a bed yet because I just wanted to show you a little tour of the outskirts of my house. I will just show you my bathroom.
Is this the bathroom? Oh, we have a little bit of furniture in this one. I can't talk properly right now. I really don't. Certainly, I can't talk properly right now. I really can't talk properly.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
not
not
a good
stinky
talking.
now. I didn't bath for several days, but it's okay.
It's not the light controls. You can do it. Please,
Can you please build some bits? And can you please build the hall with the sofa?
I'm controlling, guys. Not
Can you
Serenia.
please build the hall with the sofa and all?
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Go inside and build the sofa and hall. Come on, go and build the bed in the bedroom.
This is the bathroom here.
I forgot to build the toilet actually,
Yeah, but it's okay. First, we need some. You want some living room area here?
Yeah, put a sofa.
Okay. To put a sofa, sorry, I have to remove this.
Put it up.
How do I? Okay, fine. I'll just put this thing in. This house is so nice.
I made it with all my heart.
Let's go ahead and move this bad boy here. What is happening?
Yes.
Wait, what? Something
I
is
can
not
place
good. Wait, what?
Told you to give it to me.
No, it came properly. It came properly.
Did it go up?
I don't know. I think it gone
Oh,
up.
sorry, my leg.
Okay, I really like your new house though. It's a very good.
It's
new
your house, dummy.
Okay, sorry, it's my house. Guys, make sure to go and like and subscribe if you want her to can build your house also. But she can like make a cute story also. Can you?
Oh, I have to still prepare. Oh my god. That's so good.
Yeah, she can practice to build 2-story or 3-story or 5-story houses.
Yeah, but we don't have enough.
Yeah, we don't have enough money to build some. We have to work to get some money. We have 8,000 or so.
Hey, click on continue. Oh, I love this.
Go ahead and play the house. I think like some people. Just go ahead and. This is our house right here. Our house. Look at our house, dude.
Open it up.
And yeah, let's go to the build mode here. The build mode.
You can delete that thing if you want.
I don't want to delete this thing, okay?
Can you
Let me
get it
just
up?
place it here. That looks perfect. Let's just go ahead and go to decorate, not decorate something. Let's go ahead and go to comfort, which is sofa. Sofa is comfort, guys. So if you want,
I want some nice sofas.
If you
Well,
want
that's
a
an
box
L-shaped sofa.
I mean, stop. If you want sofa in Bloxburg, then you have to go to the comfort one. Look at this. This is a nice sofa, dude.
Rotate it and put it there. You can put the TV there.
Just go ahead and put the sofa there, which is 1,430 something.
That's a lot.
Let's just go to the decorating. Let's just go to the electric, which is TV, guys. Electric is the TV. Electric one is
Electronics.
the TV. Yeah, electronics is the TV, guys. If you want TV, just go to the electronics here. Electric.
Wait, let it. Oh,
There you go, TV.
I want a big TV. I want this 900 TV. Hey, first we have to place, like a table for the TV.
Yeah. So what do we do?
Cabinets?
Cabinets.
No, tables. Go back to decorate. TA. Click on that TA.
Tables. What tables should be placed to?
This table will be enough.
This table cannot be enough, dude. Let me just go inside the house here. And I don't know which table is going to be enough.
Wait, go up once.
Wait. Yeah?
This table be enough?
No, that would not be so enough. I think this table could be enough.
R.
Sorry, didn't mean to do that.
You can't go more further. You can't go more back. Now let's place the 900 electronic. Electronics right there. Go down. There. Where's the 900 one? Okay.
Wait, it doesn't fit. Wait, okay, can we need this? This one can it fit? I don't know, I think it can fit.
How about this?
Wait, okay.
What?
What? What has gone wrong with the internet, dude? Something has gone wrong with the internet, dude. Someone is like disconnecting our internet, so that's why it's coming like this. Let's go ahead and reconnect again, dude.
Oh my god! We were gonna place the best TVs in the whole entire world.
Yeah, we were gonna place the best TV, and then it just gave reconnect. Are you serious, dude?
Wish's house is gonna be thunder. Thunder. It's gonna be a beautiful place.
Can we roleplay Bloxburg? Would that be a good idea? So guys, we